We've all been hearing about the bankers' financial problems and how the government is trying to help them. But you may have your own financial problems because the banks are squeezing you. Listen to what Mark Twain had to say about the situation. A banker is a fellow who lends you his umbrella when the sun is shining and wants it back the minute it begins to rain. Isn't that true? Basically, Mark Twain speaks from a personal experience. He had to file for bankruptcy himself. But after getting a fresh start, he was able to achieve even bigger financial success. You can do the same if you get rid of all the preconceived notions about bankruptcy. You have to remember that bankruptcy can't stop foreclosure, it can't stop repossession of your vehicle, it can stop the garnishment, it can stop creditors from harassing you. At the same time, you can keep a lot of your assets. You can keep your house, you can keep your car, you can keep the money in your retirement funds. There are many other assets that you can keep while filing for bankruptcy. It is very important, though, when your bankruptcy papers are construed, for it to be handled by an experienced attorney. It is very important that all the papers that are carefully reviewed by the trustee are correct, accurate, and smart, and that they present your situation in a very clear fashion. So when you attend the bankruptcy hearing, which by the way, mostly you only have to attend it once. So when you attend the hearing, you are not subjected to an extreme flow of questions because your paperwork speaks for itself and it's clear and understandable for the trustees. I speak from experience because I used to work for a Chapter 13 trustee, and one of my main responsibilities consisted of auditing your files. I looked at numerous files and I was able to see which paperwork is simple and we wouldn't have any additional questions, and which paperwork is messy, inaccurate, and then we start auditing more and dig more, and then at the hearing, the trustee asks a lot of questions, and since it's an examination of the debtor, you're subjected to all these questions. So again, if you are doing bankruptcy and your paperwork is handled by an experienced attorney, bankruptcy could really well work for you. You too can get a fresh start.